Today, I want to share multi-camera angle workflow. This is especially useful for narrative AI content generation. You can create first frame and last frame images, and also use this workflow to build dataset collections for training LoRa. Here, I input a single image, and the workflow generates multiple camera angles from it: low angle, high angle, and wide shot. You can see how strong the consistency is across all of them. Let's take a look at the original image. From this, we get a low angle shot, and then a high angle shot. The identity remains consistent across all angles. Isn't that amazing? I'll include all the model download links in the notes here, and the full workflow will be available on Patreon. Today, I want to talk about a platform called Diffusion. Diffusion is a decentralized creator platform with built-in AI-powered insights. It is fully AI-friendly, and it will never ban your account for using artificial intelligence. If your content relies on AI in any way, on many traditional platforms, a single ban can freeze your assets, cut off your income, and disconnect you from your audience. That kind of risk simply doesn't exist on Diffusion. Creators who have been banned elsewhere are welcome here, because Diffusion does not operate with centralized censorship or sudden account shutdowns. The platform is built on decentralized Web3 technology. That means you control your content, your earnings, and your creator identity, not a company sitting behind a server somewhere. The interface is similar to the X platform. You can post announcements, share updates, and see posts from people you follow, as well as your followers. One of the most powerful features on Diffusion is the AI chatbot. It works like a real chatter that's active 24/7. You can focus on creating content and driving traffic from platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Once fans land on your Diffusion page, the AI chatbot handles engagement, conversations, and monetization automatically. This isn't a simple auto-reply system. The AI analyzes fan behavior, crafts human-like responses, and helps maximize earning opportunities even while you're offline. In one real example, a creator joined in the evening and earned over $3,000 overnight. That income came from the AI chatting with a high-value fan while the creator was asleep. This is how conversations turn into real revenue. Diffusion also offers instant USDT payouts. You don't wait weeks to get paid. Your earnings go directly to your wallet quickly and privately. So here's why this matters. You get instant payouts. You get continuous AI-driven engagement. And you get full creative control without fear of censorship or sudden bans. All of this is powered by decentralized technology, meaning no large corporation can suddenly shut you down or take your earnings. Everything you need to monetize is built in. Subscriptions, pay-per-view posts, private messaging, and fan tips are all part of the platform. There are no strict approval processes or artificial barriers. AI creators, niche creators, and mainstream creators are all treated equally. If you're looking for a platform that is safe for AI content, built around creator freedom, and designed to pay you fast, then Diffusion isn't just another platform. It represents a new era for creators.